Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Adobe Express to Shopify for rapid product ad design. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Adobe Express website. Log in to your Adobe Express account using your credentials. Once you're on the Adobe Express dashboard, click on the Create New Project button. Select Custom Size Graphic to design an ad that fits your specific needs. In the design interface, choose a template that resonates with your product style. Customize the colors, text, and images to match your brand identity. Next, click on the Photos tab to upload product images directly from your computer. Drag and drop the uploaded images into your chosen template. Adjust the images and text to ensure a balanced and visually appealing layout. When you're satisfied with the design, click on the Download button to save your ad. Now, open a new tab and log into your Shopify account. Navigate to the Products section of your Shopify dashboard. Select the product for which you want to create an ad. Scroll down to the Media section within the product page. Click Add Media and select the ad design you saved from Adobe Express. Confirm the upload and make sure the ad appears correctly in the media gallery. You can now add additional details like product descriptions and pricing. Finally, publish or update the product to make your ad live on your store. This seamless connection between Adobe Express and Shopify allows for rapid product ad creation. Follow these steps each time you need to design ads, making your workflow efficient and effective. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.